Understanding learning outcomes, enhancing English proficiency. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept, learning outcomes. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just curious about language learning, understanding this term is key to enhancing your English proficiency journey. So, let's get started. Learning outcomes are specific statements that describe what a learner will know or be able to do as a result of learning. In the context of English language learning, these outcomes could be as simple as being able to introduce oneself, or as complex as writing a research paper. It's essential to set clear and achievable learning outcomes to guide your study process effectively. Learning outcomes serve several vital functions. 1. Direction. They provide a roadmap for both teachers and learners, outlining what needs to be accomplished. 2. Motivation. By setting clear goals, learners can see their progress and stay motivated. 3. Assessment. Learning outcomes offer a way to measure progress and effectiveness of the learning process. 1. Basic level. Learners will be able to use simple greetings and farewells. 2. Intermediate level. Learners will be able to hold a conversation about everyday topics. 3. Advanced level. Learners will be able to present arguments and opinions in a clear, structured manner. When creating your learning outcomes, consider the following. Be specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Be measurable. Ensure that you can measure whether or not you've achieved the outcome. Be relevant. Choose outcomes that are relevant to your learning needs and interests. Be time-bound. Set a time frame for achieving your outcomes. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what learning outcomes are and how they can be a powerful tool in your English language learning journey. Remember, setting clear and achievable goals is the first step towards success. Keep practicing, and you'll see the results in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!